Hey, today we are looking at 20 questions for your next real estate exam, and the topic is real property ownership. So good luck. What is the primary distinction between real property and personal property? A. Real property is immovable while personal property is movable. Real property is tangible while personal property is intangible. Real property includes fixtures while personal property does not. Real property is owned by individuals while personal property is owned by entities. Answer: real property is immovable while personal property is movable. Explanation: real property typically includes land and anything permanently attached to it, whereas personal property is movable and not permanently affixed to the land. Which legal concepts allows a property owner to transfer ownership rights to another individual upon their death? A. Intestate succession. B. Tenancy by entirety. C. Joint tenancy with right of survivorship. D. Testate succession. C. Joint tenancy with right of survivorship. Joint tenancy with right of survivorship allows property ownership to transfer to the surviving joint tenant upon the death of one tenant. What type of estate gives the holder the greatest bundle of rights in real property? A. Fee simple absolute. B. Life estate. C. Fee simple defeasible. D. Leasehold estate. A. Fee simple absolute. Fee simple absolute is the highest form of ownership interest, granting the owner the most comprehensive bundle of rights. In which form of ownership can each co-owner's interest be passed on to heirs, but not to the other co-owners? A. Tenancy by the entirety. B. Tenancy in common. C. Joint tenancy. D. Community property. B. Tenancy in common. In a tenancy in common, each co-owner can pass on their interest to their heirs, and it does not automatically transfer to the other co-owners. Which form of co-ownership requires unity of time, title, interest, and possession? B. Joint tenancy. Joint tenancy requires unity of time, acquiring the property at the same time, title from the same source, interest and possession for all co-owners. What type of ownership exists when an individual owns a condo unit and a proportionate interest in the common areas? A. Corporate ownership or cooperative ownership. B. Tenancy in common. C. Fee simple absolute. D. Condominium ownership. D. Condominium ownership. Condominium ownership grants an individual ownership of a specific unit along with shared ownership of common areas in the complex. What term describes the legal right to use and control the airspace above a property? A. Air rights. B. Mineral rights. C. Surface rights. D. Subsurface rights. A. Air rights. Air rights refer to the legal right to use and control the space above a property within certain limits. Which form of ownership is typically associated with married couples and provides the right of survivorship? Tenancy by the entirety. Tenancy by the entirety is a form of ownership exclusively available to married couples, providing the right of survivorship. By the way, if you like this type of content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and give us a likes up, and that way you'll get more of our videos when they come out and you can pass that real estate exam. It really helps us out, so consider it and give us a shot. Thank you. What is an easement? A, the right to possess property for a specified period. B, the right to use another's property for a specific purpose. C, the right to sell property to a third party. D, the right to mortgage a property. B, the right to use another's property for a specific purpose. An easement grants a specific right to use another person's property for a particular purpose without possessing it. Which type of easement is created by continuous use over a specific period without the owner's permission? A, easement by necessity. B, easement by prescription. C, easement in gross. D, easement opportunate. Easement by prescription. Easement by prescription is created by continuous, open, and notorious use of another's property without permission for a specified period. What type of deed provides the least protection to the grantee regarding potential future claims against the property? A, general warranty deed. B, special warranty deed. C, bargain and sale deed. D, quitclaim deed. D, quitclaim deed. A quitclaim deed offers the least protection as it transfers whatever interest the grantor has without any warranties or guarantees. Question: what term describes a legal claim on a property used as collateral for a loan? A, lien. B, easement. C, encroachment. D, covenant. A, lien. A lien is a legal claim that a lender holds against a property as security for the repayment of a debt. What is the term for the transfer of property to the state when the owner dies without a will or heirs? A, eminent domain. B, escheat. C, adverse possession. D, abandonment. B, escheat. Escheat occurs when the property reverts to the state due to the lack of a will or legal heirs. Which type of property ownership provides a tax benefit for married couples treating property acquired during the marriage as jointly owned? A, joint tenancy. B, tenancy in common. C, tenancy by the entirety. D, community property. D, community property. Community property laws recognize property acquired during marriage as jointly owned, offering tax benefits to married couples in certain states. What is the term for the process of transferring personal property to real property by attaching it to the land? A, encumbrance, B, annexation, C, abandonment, D, severance. B, annexation. Annexation is the act of attaching personal property to real property in a way that it becomes part of the real estate. Which type of ownership allows for the division of a property among multiple owners with the right of survivorship? A, tenancy in common, B, tenancy by the entirety, C, joint tenancy, D, community property. Joint tenancy. Joint tenancy allows the multiple owners with the right of survivorship, meaning that upon the death of one owner, their interest passes to the surviving joint tenants. What is the legal term used to describe the process of a court transferring property from a deceased person to their heirs? A, probate, B, eminent domain, C, escheat, D, adverse possession. Probate. Probate is the legal process through which a court oversees the distribution of a deceased person's estate to their heirs or beneficiaries. Which type of estate is limited to the duration of a specified individual's life? A, fee simple absolute, B, fee simple defeasible, C, life estate, D, leasehold estate. Answer, life estate. A life estate lasts for the duration of a specified individual's life and terminates upon their death. What term describes the legal right of a surviving spouse to claim a portion of their deceased spouse's estate? A, homestead rights, B, dower rights, C, courtesy rights, D, survivorship rights. Dower rights. Dower rights refer to the legal right of a surviving spouse to claim a portion of their deceased spouse's estate. Which legal document transfers a person's real property to others upon their death? A, deed, B, will, C, lease, D, mortgage. Answer, will. A will is a legal document that specifies how a person's real and personal property will be distributed upon their death. Well, thanks for joining us. I hope you pass your real estate exam. Once again, give us a like and subscribe and hit that notification button, and have a great day.